Well, so I don't know if you can tell, but we're currently in Scotland. First day, it's the first day driving up, so we've spent a good 9 hours in the car already. We've just stopped off in Fort William, stock up on some food, still got a fair way to travel. As you'd have seen from the footage to start with parts of the driving up. But now we thought we'd stop in Fort William, see if we can get a few shots of Ben Nevis in the background maybe, and then also to take a look at this boat and maybe get a few photos of it. It is wrecked on the sort of the shoreline of the loch before the estuary, I guess. I don't know if you can make it out on there. Not the first boat with the mast, with the one behind it. But yeah, we got a week in Scotland. Well, 6 days. But yeah, this is technically day one, I guess. But yeah, quite a few things planned. It's been pretty windy so far. Did attempt to fly the drone earlier in Glencoe. Extremely windy. It didn't like it that much, but managed to get it up for a few minutes. Kind of hoping it clears up because that's looking towards Ben Nevis. It's just covered in cloud at the moment. And then on the left, sort of right hand side of your screen is Fort William. Did stay there once, about like 25 years ago, and we did the walk up to the top of Ben Nevis. I reckon we might be able to see the top of it soon. But yeah, it's beautiful. And there she is. There you go, it's Ben Nevis. Just coming into view. You see on the left hand side beyond the boat. Amazing. I do love the graffiti, it's pretty cool. 2025 as well, I love it. There you go. There you go. Beautiful. Oh, got some weather. How's that barrel? Yeah, Ben Nevis keeps appearing and then vanishing, and I'd love to get back up there again, I really would. But for me, going up a mountain, look, it's kind of the top, the view, that's the payoff for me. I don't know how anyone else feels about that, but that's kind of the payoff, for me anyway. This has been the theme of the day so far today. Showers, sunshine, showers, sunshine. But I think we've been pretty lucky, to be fair. Each sort of stop we've had, we've managed to get a bit of a dry spell. So it definitely makes for more dramatic scenery. So it'll be interesting to see what the week's going to bring. So I think it's like throughout the week. But yeah, I'm sure it'll all be just fine. Yeah. So yeah, there's a little stop in Fort William. 25 years since I last came here. But that rain is just starting to come down again. So onwards. Home. Home. Master Lou. Coffee and tea brewing. Whoa. There we go. Lights. And a shower. Lovely. It's very nice. Love it. Tail rail. I love it. Brilliant. Get settled.
You deserve a cup of coffee.
I want a little cupboard with a toaster and other supplies. Oh, lovely.
Well, there is tea and coffee.
We've spent the last hour or two getting something to eat and unwinding in the shepherd's hut. It's a beautiful little place, absolutely stunning. So yeah, that's pretty much the end of day one. It was a long road trip, so that was a good 13 hours driving with a few stops here and there, and but it was, yeah, thoroughly enjoyable. The weather could have been better, but I think it added a bit of drama to it. We had some amazing scenery as well, so yeah. But yeah, let's see what the next few days bring. If you made it to the end of this one, thanks for watching, and hopefully see you in the next one.